Hey guys, now I'm back with these neon marble nails, and I created these using a stamping plate, not water marbling. So if you want to add to these, keep watching. So I started off painting all of my nails with white. This is my favourite Colour Club One Step French tip. And then with my Born Pretty plate, it's a water marble. I'll leave links to it in the description box below. And I also used a yellow, pink, green and a light blue stamping polish from Twinkled T. I will also leave links for them in the description box below. But I'm just casually trying to create a gradient stamp. So I'm just applying thin strips of polish to the plate of each colour. And then when I swipe, I'm trying to blend the colours together a little bit, but without blending too much, otherwise you will ruin the fade. And I just stamped that on my nail once I finished stamping. And here I am, just using the old trick of sellotape to remove stamping polish. And when that's not enough, I just use my brush and acetone to clean around my cuticles. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these neon marble nails. And these were another design that I lost on my hard drive, like my sweet cherry nails. I don't know why I didn't post these sooner. They're definitely ready for summer. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.